instructors. Between them, their operational experiences covered both on Herrick in Afghanistan and on Ellerby over Libya, where they employed the aircraft's gun and precision-guided munitions such as Brimstone, Paveway 4 and Storm Shadow. This is a key role of combat air of the Royal Air Force, allowing us to rapidly strike enemy targets at a great distance in an accurate and proportionate manner.
Oh, bollocks. Ow.